Hi kids. How are you today? Let's learn about names of days with their spellings. There are 7 days in a week. The first day is Monday. What is the spelling of Monday? M O N D A Y. Repeat with me. M O N D A Y. Monday. Tuesday. T U E S D A Y. Let's repeat after me. T U E S D A Y. Tuesday. Wednesday. Let's spell it. W E D N E S D A Y. Repeat with me. W E D N E S D A Y. Wednesday. Thursday. Now let's learn the spelling of Thursday. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Repeat after me. T H U R S D A Y. Thursday. Friday. F R I D A Y. Friday. One more time, spell it. F R I D A Y. Friday. Saturday. What is the spelling of Saturday? S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Repeat with me. S A T U R D A Y. Saturday. Sunday. Let's learn the spelling of Sunday. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Let's spell again. S U N D A Y. Sunday. Kids, you learned spellings of names of days. Let's repeat the names again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Well done! You learned all the names. Thank you for watching. See you again.